Okay, hi guys. Today we are going to be talking about your XAT strategy, which is like the most difficult exam because everybody has heard we have decision making and XAT may wobble, whether it's your data interpretation or your reading comprehensions. Everything is super lengthy, super tough as compared to CAT. Well, a few things are definitely true. Yes, it's a little tougher as compared to CAT, but it's not that bad because you have a lot of time. This is one exam where you will actually end up having free time with you because there is negative marking 1/4. You can't sit and attempt everything, and you have 1 hour 165 minutes, which is a hell lot of time. All right, so let's understand how do we make the maximum use of this time. All right, what I will do is I'm talking to you in the section wise approach which you should follow in the exam also. So we recommend you to start with decision making. Why? That's a different thing. It's new, you are high on your energy, and decision making is actually very interesting. You have to be given situation based questions, whether it's an ethical dilemma or some case situation where this happened. What would you do if you were the branch manager, or if you were the product head of the production team, or someone was an HR manager? Basically situational based questions, not too much of a hassle, right? So start with them because they're very fresh. All right, you get 21 questions for it. Each question there is 1 mark. That's a good thing with XAT going online. The number of questions and the marking scheme has got fixed. Long back before that, every year XAT used to be pen and paper. उस पेपर पे आपको समझ में आता था कितने questions हैं, कितने marks का है, for each of them different, right? So that's not there. Very important, keep that in mind. All questions have the same mark, that is 1 mark per question across the sections, 1/4 negative marking across all of them. All right, so decision making 21 questions, 21 marks. Ideal attempts 15 to 18 questions. Around से take 45 minutes, मतलब 3 minutes to understand every case situation and give in the answers. So it's a highly scoring area. All right, then comes your verbal and logical ability combined together, where you have 26 questions, where you can easily attempt 18 to 22 questions in 1 hour's time. So again, time is not a hassle for us. Last is your quants and DI, and yes, definitely the DI will be lengthy, will be time consuming. So make sure you're giving yourself 1 hour for it and attempt around 18 to 20 questions. So overall, you have 74 questions, 165 minutes. Your strategy has to be to attempt at least 58 to 60 questions, provided you're looking for XLRI, PM or HR program. Those are the main flagship programs, right? But apart from that, there are a lot of other colleges also which accept your XAT scores. So ensure you apply to all of them as well also. And keep in mind one good thing, ki for all the other colleges except for XLRI, this much of your XAT exam is only important. The GK section, which is your section 2, that is important, or that is required for that matter only for XLRI. Alright, कुछ नहीं है, वो 25 questions है GK के, around 15 minutes time is given to you. 12 से 15 questions you can easily attempt for that in GK. That's it. Alright, no negative marking in that. सारे attempt करने हैं, वो भी कर सकते हो, but why to do that? Alright, so that's only required for XLRI. Right now you put your focus on this section. Alright, one very important and a little unique thing which happens only in XAT exam is unattempted questions के लिए you have penalty. So for every 8 questions, if you miss out, your penalty is 0.1 marks. All right, so if you are solving the paper and you leave 8 questions blank, 0.1 marks are gone onto it. So keep that psychologically or practically in mind, how many questions, how you are attempting. Space your attempts so that you don't lose out simply marks for the stupid penalties. All right, so just keep that much in mind. Any other doubts or questions how to approach any of these sections, or which are the colleges that you think you should be applying through your XAT, or if you've given some XAT mocks, feel free to drop in the comments so that we can take that up and help you guys prepare for the same. But just make sure you have 2 weeks to go for your XAT exam. You're up for it. Get your exam strategy in place. Give at least 2 mocks of XAT in the next 2 weeks. You are more than sorted to go ahead and kill the exam. All the best and stay tuned. All the best.